Hey, this is Kate from Schafer Chevrolet here to show you the video of this 2011 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Do got a couple of paint flakes, look like they've been touched up on the front bumper, as well as some rock chips on the front of the hood. They've also been touched up underneath the hood. One of the driver's side exterior is in good condition. It does have some paint flakes that's been touched up as well on the exterior. Right where the panels come together there. A lot of life left in that tire. We've got a couple of spots right there as well. Looking up underneath the driver's side. And the front driver interior is a leather interior. It does have a little bit of a crack in the seat from people sliding in and out of it. Does look like this right there is a little loose. Vehicle does have just under 950 miles. You got a little bit of bubble starting right there. Moving to the rear of the vehicle. Does look like you do got a little bit of a ding right here on the rear bumper. And the passenger side exterior, more of the same. A couple of spots that have been touched up. Looking up underneath the passenger side. Couple of rock chips right behind the front wheel well. A lot of life left in that tire. You got a little bit of bubbling starting right there where the two panels come together also. Overall, for the mileage and the year of the vehicle, it is in good condition. Again, this was a video of this 2011 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Thank you for watching.